My name is 𝗤𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗽 and we are from Nightingale International Secondary School. Today, I am going to give a short introduction of our project that we have made. Now, I would like to start it. Our project is a digital version of a classic game, tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe is a strategic game that has been played for generations. It is played on a 3x3 grid, where one player uses symbol X and the other uses symbol O. The game always starts with the player X. The objective of this game is to be the first player to place 3 of their symbols in a horizontal, diagonal or vertical row. If all the buttons are filled and no player achieves such condition, the game ends in a draw. Despite its simplicity, it is an excellent example of a logical game. It requires players to think ahead and develop strategic decisions. Due to this feature, tic-tac-toe is often used in computer science to teach students and help them to understand different programming concepts such as conditional statements, loops, and other game logics. We have used MIT App Inventor to develop this game. MIT App Inventor is a game development platform. It helps beginners such as us, students and educators to develop games, fully functioning games without any kind of programming knowledge. It consists of blocks section as well as data analysis section for layout as well as to design the app overall behavior or features. It helps us to understand different programming concepts such as loops and conditional statements as well as game logics. Now for the further information, I would like to call 𝗤𝗂𝗴𝗍𝗂. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm 𝗤𝗂𝗏 from Nightingale International Secondary School. I'm here to introduce you to our game. Our game is tic-tac-toe. We made this game using MIT App Inventor. Let me show you all the screens we prepared. This is screen 1, where we introduce the user to the game. Now let us see the screen 2. This is screen 2, where the loading appears. In screen 1, when we click this start game button, it directs us to screen 2, where we see the loading. Now let us see screen 3. This is screen 3, where 2 players can play this game. Here a grid is prepared. Each button are placed to keep the value X or O as the turn of players. Now let me introduce you to the block of each screen. In this screen, when we click start game button, it plays a click sound, and it directs us to the second screen, loading 1. In loading screen, the loading is being performed for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds are over, we are directed to the main game UI. In this UI, we have made many variables. Here, when any button, this group of blocks stores list in which all the winning combos are kept, and in this group of variables we have kept all the functions on what that happens when we click a button, and in this group we have kept the buttons to produce sound of click whenever the buttons are pressed. Now in this group of function we have placed we have initialized where whether the mute button is clicked or not, and if clicked, it will play sound, background music. And in this group, we have kept a function button blocks to check if the winner is found using those lists we have stored previously. It checks if the winning combos are seen in the game UI or not, and if seen, it shows the winner. The winning combo of the buttons are highlighted in yellow color. Now this group checks whether it's draw or not. If none of the winning combos are seen and if all the buttons are filled, it will show draw. Now for the further demonstration, I would like to call Sambal.
Creating the tic-tac-toe game on MIT App Inventor was exciting as well as challenging for us, especially because it was our first time on the platform. We faced many challenges, but the most difficulty that we faced was definitely the block building. As we all know, MIT App Inventor is a visual block-based system which made it more difficult for us to prepare the blocks accurately. Looking ahead, there are several improvements that we can make to enhance the app's features more, such as we can add an AI component to make for a single mode player so that the users can play against the computer. We can also add a scoreboard which will track the score, and we can add several appealing features that will also enhance the app more. The implementation of these features will definitely enhance the user's experience and provide a smooth and better replay. Tic-tac-toe is such a game that no matter how much players play, they will never get tired and bored. This is one of the reasons why we also chose this program. Thank you. With this, I'd like to end our presentation, and I'd like the judges to ask the questions.
Mero Coding Class, 𝗖𝗂𝗋𝗶𝗶𝗃